Why shorting GameStop remains a high-risk bet. According to Yahoo Finance, you probably shouldn't short GameStop unless you want a 50-50 chance of getting absolutely obliterated like Andrew left. Now, Fed Powell just spoke at Jackson Hole, and we have a lot of stuff to cover in today's video, including GameStop and AMC, and I'm also going to give you a short squeeze stock that I just took entry on that I alerted Discord earlier for. So watch until the end, turn post notifications on, subscribe to the family to join us on this journey to financial freedom. Let's get into it. Enough with these YOLO earnings plays. I'm going to make a separate series for that, so stay tuned. But Kava, ticker symbol CAVA, up 22% on the day. That's really all I have to say. I'm not going to say anything else. Discord knows what happened last night. But damn, this stock is absolutely ripping heads off. Ticker symbol FFIE, what did we say? I said yesterday, I don't see this thing going over 12 bucks, so be very, very careful when trading it. As of right now, we got rejected at $11.60, which is very close to that level that we called out. Is FFIE going to go higher? Potentially. It's just something to keep an eye on, but at this point you are chasing. Up from a low of about $2.67 to almost $12 is a chase at this point. Now, the short squeeze play that I want to put on your radar is ticker symbol HOLO. Share this with your friends. Keep it tight in the community. It only has a 6% short interest of free float, but this never stopped HOLO in the past. What do you see right here? Well, this is actually an old cycle that I had drawn out on this chart that I didn't even know that I had drawn out, and it's been a while since we revisited it. At this moment, you're coming right to this orange line, which I have drawn out several times, 1, 2, 3, now nearing the 4th time. What happens every single time? This isn't necessarily going to happen, and this is very risky, a 10 out of 10 risk to reward ratio. But put very simply, you had a 700% run, over 1500% run back here, 450% run, 4000% run. And now you are down here at 60 cents. I'll say the first price target I'm watching is $1.35. That's simple. At that point, that is basically the minimal price target that I'm expecting for HOLO. Maybe nothing happens, but you can already see volume is starting to come in and we're nearing this cycle point. Maybe nothing happens. Maybe I lose a little bit of money, but this is one that I want to put on your radar. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Now, if you're holding AMC, stop worrying about it. Fundamental wise, look who else is loading up. Institutions want this stock and you already have a ton of it. Okay, so you bought this stock and now institutions are buying this stock once again, almost surpassing the June highs where they loaded up right here, which is the same exact scenario that we have been calling for. AMC call to put ratio slaughtering on the options chain for the week, so that's good to see. 18,000 calls expiring in the money compared to 1,000 puts. Short exempt volume also rose up as soon as AMC rose up even a little bit, and the crazy thing is the fact that this stock is barcoding and they still need over 100,000, 200,000 short exempts on it just blows my mind. Now, GameStop coin is up another crazy percentage gain. I believe was up over 20,000% today. And you can see how flat the stock is trading on how little volume. GameStop did recently bounce off the 20 on the weekly, now trading above it. Really not doing anything, but this could be a major compression candle like you saw back here before this move up. Next week is the week that is going to end August. I believe it is also a shorter trading week. And we're looking at August 30th, in which it could be that Friday or it could be the start of the week after. So just be aware of that. Next week's trading week, maybe we scale into it or maybe we chop trade, and that is it. AMC as well, very sideways. But what's happening here is you have the 50 coming lower and lower to a point where I think it's going to be relatively safe for shorts when the 50 comes down to around 10 bucks and it's nearing that level. That is where AMC would maybe meet the price. Then you'd have the 100 coming to around 24 to 21.50, which is that price target that we had, right? Overall, not too worried about it. Still, of course, holding my shares, holding my calls on AMC, and watching other squeeze plays as we move and seeing how the market is doing. Now, Fed Powell spoke and he said the time has come for policy to adjust. Powell said we don't seek or welcome further labor market cooling. My confidence has grown that inflation is on path to 2%, which means basically Powell went dovish and guaranteed rate cuts for September, and the market reacted positively, yet it is still selling off. We came up to test this aggressive ascending channel on the 4-hour time frame right at about 563 and got rejected. You can see a major wick down here on the 4-hour and reclosed under 560.15. This is a crucial level, and now we're building a candle under it. This is technically still in a bull run, but I'd watch 557. If we can't hold 557 on the day and close below, I think the SPY is actually looking pretty bearish. And remember, September is normally a bearish month. Nvidia actually looks really good on the weekly. Bounced off of the 20 down here, has been ripping heads off ever since. But remember, Nvidia earnings is next week, so this could change everything, or it could just let it jump into a brand new trading range and continue higher for Nvidia. As of right now, still getting another close above 127 is going to look beautiful for the stock. Tesla now looking bearish. We broke below this channel, came up, tested it like the SPY, and is building a candle under it on the 4-hour time frame, which is not something that we want to see. If we can't close above 218.50 today on Tesla, I'm watching 210. That's basically the easy format of the layout of Tesla right now. Bitcoin is actually breaking out of this flag to the upside, but fighting hard at 61.5. Wicked above twice. Once we get a close above this, that's going to look pretty good. Then we have to get a close above 63 and 64 for the next levels on Bitcoin. Could this be a fake out? Yes, we want to see more strength going into this, and I think the market is tipping it around a little bit. Last but not least, a couple sprinkles on top. Putin orders to launch 2 Bitcoin and cryptocurrency exchanges in Russia. And RFK Jr. officially has withdrawn from the presidential election. Overall, guys, that is what I got for you for today's video. Hopefully you enjoyed watching or found value out of the video. Go enjoy your weekend. I know it sucks when the market is closed, at least for me. I find it very boring, but the crypto market will be open and we will still have a lot of stuff to talk about, especially waiting for that market to open next week. And we're going to cover some of the earnings coming up next week, all that good stuff over the weekend. So again, have post notifications on. Make sure you're subscribed. And if you want to talk with more people and be involved in the market over the weekend, if it's boring for you, it is a coffee a month. It's the 3rd link in the description under this video to get in the Discord. I post my trades as soon as I take them. We have options trading alerts in there. We talk stocks and crypto all day long. We post our gains, post our losses, overall best vibes, whether you're a beginner or advanced trader. This is the place to go. Get in there, guys. Let's come talk, hang out. And also, if you want to win that action figure, make sure to press the 2nd link for Moomoo. Open an account and make a deposit into there. But on top of that, if you open an account through my link and deposit, you're getting up to 20 free stocks. Okay, this takes 2 minutes. Do it while the weekend's here, and you're also getting 8.1% APY on your uninvested cash, level 2 order book data for free, access to trading options, going long, going short, viewing other exchanges, and more as a retail trader. So go do that, guys. Do not sleep on it. Lastly, the top link, of course, is for my custom indicator in which you can add to your TradingView charts. It is pattern detection and forecasting. Go get it right now. It detects patterns, gives you price targets, and forecasts what the stock might do, and you can fiddle with the time frames and add it to any given chart on your TradingView. 2-week free trial, or you can just get it flat out, but go check it out. Go through the link. That is it, guys. I love you all. Lottery Stocks out.